Yo, what's going on, guys? Cube Solver here. Today we're going to be making our own Rubik's Cube lubricant.
It's Cube Solver time.
Need 2 ingredients and then a couple like other materials. You're going to need vegetable oil and hand soap. And then the other ingredients, you need a bowl and some sort of like spoon mixer thing. And you also need a syringe, but the spoon, I'm used the syringe. So let's get right into it. First step is to put the vegetable oil into the bowl. So just open it up, place it in the bowl. Not so much, it depends how much you're making. I'm not going to make a lot, so yeah. So once you put it in, just close it because you're not going to need it anymore. Close it and put it to the side. Now get your hand soap and just squirt like a few drops. I'm going to put like 3 or 4. Okay, now you're going to get your mixer tool and just stir it up so it's all one solid color. I might get a spoon for this. As I mentioned, I used this lubricant on that cube. So yeah, it's dirty. Yeah, I used the lubricant on this cube, so back to the time lapse. You're gonna want to get it so it's like this nice, like solid color. And then take your syringe. I have to put this thing in it. Hang on. Take your syringe. And then stick it in there. And just take all the juice out. You're gonna want to put it into your cube. If you have a speed cube, just put it through the holes. If you don't, take off these 3 layers and then stick it right in, put them back on, and then just start turning the cube and make sure it breaks in. But I already lubed this cube with this lubricant, so I'm not going to do it, but hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time. Bye!